this video, I am going to walk you through how to use the DesignPLUS multi-tool from City Labs to set the due dates in your courses faster and more efficiently. So the multi-tool just allows you to set all of the due dates on one page, and it's so much faster and so much more efficient than editing every single page. So to use the multi-tool, first you're going to go to your course settings. And then you're going to choose the navigation tab. And then you're going to find the multi-tool tool and move it up to this first column or box area. And then you're going to scroll to the bottom of this page and choose Save. Then you'll see the multi-tool in your course navigation, which will never be visible to students, even though it doesn't have that icon with the slash through it. So you'll choose the multi-tool. And if it's your first time using the multi-tool, you will get a pop-up notification here that asks you to authorize the multi-tool in DesignPLUS to access your course, and you'll choose Authorize there. So we're going to choose the due date modifier. And then it'll take a minute, but it will gather all of your assignments and pages in the whole course. And then once it does that, you can sort by published or unpublished pages, and I'll do published ones, and then you can do assignments, discussions, quizzes, or pages, or clear the filter and just do graded ones so you don't include the pages. Totally up to you. But if your assignments are always due on the same day, you can set blackout days. So my assignments are always due on Sundays, so I'm going to set Monday through Saturday as blackout dates. And that just means that when I go down here to choose the due date, it will only let me choose Sundays. So we'll choose the 25th for course introductions. And then for the module 1 discussion, we'll choose that again. And then instead of copying and pasting for each module assignment, you can copy the text and paste it below. And then if you want it to be due at a different time that's not 11:59, you can go to set default times and change any of those to be whatever time you'd like it to be, but I'm going to leave it at 11:59. All right, so that looks like I have everything for module 1 now. Right, so then module 2 will be the first, and I'll copy that, and so on for the remainder of these. All right, so once I get all of those added in here, I'll go to the bottom and I will update all. And sometimes it takes a second because it has to update everything, but you'll see them processing over here. And once those are all done, you can go over to assignments just to verify that they all have due dates and that you didn't miss anything. Okay, those have due dates, we look good, and yeah, everything looks good here. And just like that, in a couple of minutes, you have all of your due dates set for all of the assignments in your course. Thanks for watching and good luck.